wonderful oil. Hi, my name is Yogini Rasa, and today we are talking about the essential oils. I know you are used to yoga topics, but believe me, this is something that also goes wonderfully with yoga. What do I have here? Let's turn it on. It's a diffuser, essential oil diffuser. If you want to have a beautiful and healthy home, then this is the one for you. And actually, let me tell you a story how I open up the essential oils. It happened many years ago when my kids were small, and one of them got terrible sores. And they were so terribly itching that we didn't know what to do. We went to a pharmacy, we went to a doctors, and they were just like, okay, try this, and we are trying and nothing helps for 2 weeks. And then a friend of mine gave me a little jar was aloe vera gel, and there was also a pine essential oil. So we tried it, and what do you think? In 24 hours, everything that we didn't need was gone. The sores were gone, and we were so happy to being able to help the kid and to see that things are working. So when you are like so amazed that how something so small can do so big changes, and we started exploring and looking around. And then, yes, this is what you make step by step. You have one oil, the second, and the third. You try to find the information, because at that time, not that many information was available about the essential oils. Either it was very scientific, very complicated, and you would just use small things. So, yeah. This is how it went on and on, because we started to do massage therapy, and it goes very well with it. Just recently I got a wonderful friend in Canada, and she is working with Young Living. So she told me a lot about it, and as I already had tried a few things, then I thought that the starter kit would be great for me. What you get in a starter kit is your diffuser, then you get oils and oil blends, 7 oils and 5 blends. That's actually fantastic, because each blend contains around 4 or 5 different essential oils, and one of them usually is pretty exclusive, and to buy that one would cost quite a fortune. So you already have a blend. You don't even need to learn all the things, how to mix them, in what proportion, and so on and so forth. You have everything ready. So actually you see one bottle, but there would be tons of them. What else? In this starter kit, we also get the little bottles, and we get the drink that is infused with essential oils, the business cards in case you want to try out working in this area, and actually some things more. But let me introduce you with the things I like the most, the 3 of them. One of them is the frankincense essential oil that I use for meditation, especially if I had a lot of things going on that day and I can't just stop my mind working, then this is just taking away the mind active work and unwinding you. Then if we talk about the stress away and pain away blends, then stress away, as the name says, is letting you to cool down and to relax, unwind. And there is the vanilla extract and also lime, very nice oil from the citrus oils. And if we talk about the pan away, that is majorly was the wintergreen and peppermint, and actually was clove buds too. Then it is like, I like the name, it's like pain away. For the beginning I thought it's the pain away, and actually it's helping to relax the sore muscles. And usually when I went to my massage therapist, and I didn't know that it's Young Living, but she had this oil, and I was always saying, I want that one. Actually, that was a major reason for that, why I sometimes went for, especially for her. But she was also having a very good hand, so it's a wonderful thing. And the also interesting thing about it, that if you buy this kit, you already save 50% off that you would buy things separately. And if you use the link I have below, you can use the 24% discount of the retail price for entire year for the oils, oil blends, oil infused products. And they have quite a lot of large line, the huge catalog. There's, as I said, oils and blends, and then there are massage oils, there is a kid line, there are oils that you can use internally, there are home products, and there are beauty products, so a lot of things too. So just to take a look and see how it goes. What else comes with the Young Living is not just they give you the product and here you go, and get yourself kind of try to understand what to do with all of this, because you can do truly amazing things, but you have a team around you. You have a person who will help you to get organized with what you have in Young Living. They will, if you have a question about is there an oil for this or there is an oil for that, you will get the help. This is what I lacked so much when I started to use the essential oils. I was so confused, what can I do with this little bottle? Where is too much, where there is not enough, or maybe some suggestions or ideas. And if you want to try how this all works, and if you want to try to kind of incorporate them, then there is a small recipe I am sharing with you today, and it is when you take coconut butter that already smells wonderful, you can take sugar, maybe brown sugar, and then you take lavender oil, and it's a beautiful scrub for your body. Just try it. It takes a few seconds to mix it. Ingredients are not that much expensive, and they should be by hand, so it works perfectly well. And what else I would like to know, there's a lot of things I can share with you, how I use the oils, and share some of the recipes, ideas. Would you like to have them on this channel to be explored in more details? And maybe you have your own secret of the essential oils that you would like to share in the comment section, where and which essential oil is your favorite one. So, and then we could kind of have maybe some giveaways or some access to the information that you would usually have to pay for and that you would receive as the gift. So thank you very much for your attention today. I hope you will have a chance to try your essential oils and explore essential oil blends. And if you have any questions, you know how to contact me in the comment section or email me. I will be very happy to hear from you. So have this month to be smelling nicely, keeping you healthy and inspired and motivated. And thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.